Hello guys, welcome back to Chur Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant. This game is not available on your operating system and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to open this PC. Now from here you just have to click to local disk C. From here you just have to click on users. And from here you just have to click on get Chur Tips, and you'll be having a folder named something like there will be a folder which can take you to app data. So if you don't know the entire location, the correct location you can search it, so you'll be getting it. Once you select app data, you just have to open this. Okay, now from here on the app data you just have to open this and you have to click on local. Now from here you just have to scroll down a little bit and you have to navigate to Valorant. From here there is a folder called saved. You just have to open this. Now from here there is a folder called logs which you just have to open and you have to delete all these files. Okay, delete all these files and try to see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, you don't have to panic. You just have to go back and delete this file named saved. You just have to delete this file. Okay, you just have to delete this, and once after that close this up and do a restart and try to open the Valorant, and the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.